Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Voi app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Voi is an e-scooter and e-bike sharing app designed to offer convenient and eco-friendly urban transportation. The app provides real-time vehicle tracking, easy unlocking, integrated payment options, ride history, and battery status monitoring to ensure a smooth user experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Voi for its intuitive interface, wide availability of vehicles, and commitment to sustainable mobility. It's a popular choice for city commuters looking for flexible last-mile transportation. The app also supports seamless payments and provides useful ride statistics for tracking usage. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connectivity problems and limited vehicle availability during peak hours. Pricing can vary based on location and demand, which may not always feel transparent. Additionally, battery levels on scooters can sometimes be inconsistent with app reports. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Voi app may be worth using if you want a user-friendly, environmentally conscious option for short-distance urban travel. It shines in convenience, sustainability, and ease of use. However, if you require guaranteed vehicle availability or consistent pricing, you might encounter some limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.